My name is Katie White. I am a Digital Marketing Apprentice at Paratus People, an IoT recruitment agency based in the centre of Bristol. So before my apprenticeship, I was a university student. I studied media and communications at Cardiff University. But coming out of university, I found like I had a lot of the academic skills, but not so much the practical skills. So I thought, an apprenticeship is the best way for me to really up my skills. And as I know, I wanted to do marketing specifically through courses at uni. That's sort of what I found to be my sort of remit. From there, I applied to an apprenticeship, which would develop my skills and just really get me within the workplace and, learn practically as well. So for me, I was recommended by friends that didn't go to uni and did apprenticeships. I realised, where they were at within their career through the time that I was at uni. They had, already developed so much in their career. So naturally for me, it was just a given that I was going to search for an apprenticeship as well, as I really wanted something that would make me more employable through the practical skills rather than just having, a degree. Like, it's great, but I wanted experience within, the industry. So yeah, that was really sort of my full process behind it. And so I went on to Indeed, and then that's where I found the apprenticeship, specifically from Professional Apprenticeships as well. The way that I applied to the apprenticeship was through Indeed, so I submitted my CV, and then within around a day or two, I had the recruitment agent follow me up, and then me and him got chatting. Originally I applied for a different apprenticeship, and he helped cater what I wanted to get out of the apprenticeship to the role that would best fit me. So it was a really smooth process for me. Yeah, so before the apprenticeship, I just really had the academic experience. I wasn't really work savvy. I didn't have the experience at all. Didn't really know too much about marketing, but now, through the apprenticeship and through my workplace, I've really developed my skills as a person. I'm conducting campaigns that I never thought I would have conducted. For instance, I'm doing a podcast, I run a conference, and that's things that I just never would have crossed my mind when I first started the apprenticeship. So it's been such a great learning experience for me. Yeah, so mainly within my job role, I run the IoT podcast. I pretty much manage that myself. It's my own little entity that I, do all of the marketing for, from, either filming the podcast, promoting it on socials, changing up the website, just everything like that. And then I also do day-to-day bits for the wider business as well. So mainly, social media management, running marketing campaigns. So there's a real variety. Yeah, so for me, be yourself, know that you're going to really grow as a person, so don't get kicked down thinking, I don't have the experience. Like, you do, you'll learn it, and just, have fun, and it's a great experience, really. At the moment, in terms of my qualification, I'm at the endpoint assessment, so I'll be ready to, do the last stages of the apprenticeship, and then after the apprenticeship, I will be joining my company, Paratus People, and further developing my skills there, and it's going to be great. Paratus has been the best experience in me learning how to work independently and in a team. The culture here is amazing. It's a young team, so there's always plenty to do, loads of initiatives. And the advice that I would give joining is just really just be yourself. Tom always is here to help develop you and what you want to learn. So, just have fun.